Hello and welcome to our channel, The Voice of Immigration. Today, we're here to guide you through the process of obtaining a work visa in Switzerland, including the all-important visa sponsorship jobs that can open the door to your professional dreams. But before we dive into the visa process, let's explore some fascinating facts. Did you know, for working in Switzerland, you don't need higher education? No IELTS required, no age limit, and no prior experience needed. Basic English skills are sufficient for a Swiss work visa, and guess what? Employers often provide enticing benefits like free food, accommodation, flights, and more. So, let's get started. The first step is to find a suitable job from various platforms and company websites. You can also leverage Swiss job portals and recruitment agencies to maximize your chances. For example, jobs.ch, Indeed Switzerland, JobScout24, Monster Switzerland, LinkedIn Switzerland. In the description box below, I will leave all the links. Once you secure a job offer, your Swiss employer will initiate the visa sponsorship process. Your employer will apply for a work permit, typically falling into three categories: short-term L permits, temporary B permits, and long-term C permits. They'll need to submit required documents, including your job contract, proof of qualifications, and a convincing explanation of why they selected you over local or EU candidates. Once your work visa is approved, it's time to pack your bags and embark on a new adventure in Switzerland. Upon arrival, your employer may organize an orientation to help you adapt to the company culture and life in Switzerland. Switzerland offers an exceptional work-life balance, whether you're in Zurich, Geneva, Bern, or any other Swiss city. During your free time, you can explore natural wonders like hiking in the Alps or skiing in the winter. It's a perfect blend of work and leisure. Now, let's discuss some crucial details like the cost, processing time, eligibility, required documents, eligible countries, and job sectors offering visa sponsorship in Switzerland. For the cost, it can vary based on your nationality and the type of visa you're applying for, typically ranging from 60 to 150 Swiss francs. Remember, fees can change, so check the official Swiss government website for the latest info. As for processing time, Switzerland is known for its efficient immigration system, and a work visa usually takes around 2 to 4 weeks. However, this may vary based on factors like embassy workload and application completeness. To be eligible, you must have a valid job offer from a Swiss employer, and they must prove that no local or EU candidates are suitable for the position. You'll need to submit documents like a valid passport, completed visa application, job contract, educational certificates, health insurance proof, accommodation details, financial documents, Europa CV, and cover letter. Citizens of the European Union and European Free Trade Association member countries enjoy freedom of movement in Switzerland and do not need a work visa. For non-EU EFTA citizens, a work visa is a must. Switzerland offers diverse job opportunities in sectors like information technology, engineering, finance, pharmaceuticals, hospitality, healthcare, education, research, marketing, and more. In conclusion, obtaining a work visa in Switzerland can be a rewarding journey, offering you a chance to live and work in one of the world's most beautiful and prosperous countries. Remember, always verify the latest information with official Swiss authorities before proceeding with your work visa application. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey through the Switzerland work visa process with visa sponsorship jobs. We wish you the best of luck in your endeavors. Goodbye and see you soon.